Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to draw a dotted line in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer. Select pen tool or line tool as you wish. I use select pen tool or best way. Shape, fill, do not use fill, stroke and select stroke color. First of all, select it for black color. Click for select dotted. Okay, then click anywhere. Hold shift for straight line, increase the size. Okay, and apply another way. Create again new layer or use this layer as a wish. Click for another layer. Click for hold alter. Hold alter. Okay, use this for many ways. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.